Oh hi, it's Saturday. I just got, where is it? Where's the thing? I just got jabbed. There we go. What else? I'm editing Thursday's vlog. I'm so excited. It really put into context for me what I'm doing this vlogging thing for. Sometimes I feel a little bit, I need to make my vlogs entertaining for people who watch them, but then when I come back to what I'm really doing these vlogs for, which is accountability for myself, but also overwhelmingly, and that's what made it so clear about Thursday's vlog, it's record keeping. It's the thought of me looking back on them in 10, 20, 30 years time and having the kind of the memories and the records. And yeah, that probably means I will never be some viral vlogging success, but at least I found what the real meaning is to me. And also, what was I gonna say? I had a thought. My brain. I lost the thought. I remember. I've always felt so guilty for not having been able to keep photo albums. My mum was an avid photo album keeper, so were my grandparents, so is my aunt, and I've always felt mildly guilty for not having been able to do that, specifically when having kids. And I feel like vlogging is something I can do. I mean, I might not vlog forever, you know, we'll see, but right for now, it's the thing that I can do, and it's the thing that I can do to like keep these memories. And yeah, and it's just really cool. This is so totally not what I was going to talk about, but I just wanted to start vlogging again. I took a break yesterday because I was pretty tired. I got in at like 2:15, didn't really go to bed until 3, had about 6 hours sleep. Yeah, and I was feeling a bit wrecked on Friday, even though I'm not drinking at the moment. So it was interesting to know how wrecked one feels after a concert, going to bed late, but not drinking. Interesting. And then today, my kids are going away. My little kids. They're gonna go and stay with their aunt for a few days. They're gonna have their first Christmas, but I'm gonna miss them a lot. I always feel like when they go away, I think, oh, I'm gonna have so much time. I'm gonna do all the things. It's gonna be amazing. And then when they go away, I always just feel a bit empty, and then I can't really do anything. We'll see. We'll see. At least I'm aware of that feeling, which is better than it like creeping up on you. So, and I'm pleased for them as well. Obviously, they get 2 Christmases. Right, so I'm going to continue vlogging, no, editing, and I'll check in with you later. Hello. I'm tired. I think I'm still tired from yesterday. When you're like over 25, you can no longer go to bed late. It's just over. I said goodbye to the kids. I got some fun mail from the US, Tennessee, and Germany. I'm gonna open that in a minute. I'm also up here because I have finally, after receiving my pen pal Sophie's last letter back in April, I have finally written back in December, actually in November. So I need to send her these things, but in true pen pal style, I want to decorate the envelope. So that's what I am going to be doing. Let's open these exciting bits of mail. This is terrible because I am terrible at reactions. So I'm gonna open this and not have the right reaction, but you'll just have to forgive me. Ooh. This is exciting though. I like this. This is from Anne. Thank you so... Oh wow, that's like a proper letter. I'm going to read that. Nice. This is her own stuff, I think. Also an artist. I mean, obviously, like, why would you follow me if you're not an artist? Friends, like real life friends excluded. This is really cool. Thank you, Anne. All right, next one. I'm gonna look at it in more detail myself. This is just for the vlog, yo. This is from Julia. Oh, and it includes all these nice stickers. Oh, nice. Thank you, Julia, and thank you, Anne. It's really nice to receive stuff in the mail. Honestly, when stuff comes in the mail and it's like in fun envelopes with stickers and it is not a bill, it's just the most, it's the coolest thing ever. Oh, and it's Snoopy. Oops. I just, did you see that? It's Snoopy. Oops. Oh my God. It's like, I'm just a train wreck. Anyway, Snoopy and Woodstock, many Woodstocks. I just want to say something. Actually, I think I'm feeling crap because of side effects from my jab, because I'm feeling mega fatigued at the moment. But anyway. This is the wristband that Anne included, and basically she does something called histopop art, and she combines art with like medical things, like so basically what this is a art of muscles, and like the geek in me just loves this. And she also showed me how she's got this vending machine, and the vending machine has got art in it, and so you can put money in and then you get a little packet of art, and it's so cool. It's so cool. I hope you'll check her out. Okay, my peeps, let's do some cooking. I really don't feel well, but I had planned to make French onion soup, and I am really into the idea of eating French onion soup, so I'm rallying and doing it because I know that I really want it. Oh my God, who's been cutting onions here? Charming. I am on the couch with my cup of mint tea and my very sensible ramekin of licorice, so I can pace myself and let the licorice that Eleanor bought me last a long time. I'm feeling pretty fatigued from my jab, but not actually tired, so I don't actually want to go to bed. I just want to veg on the couch and watch New Girl. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have invited Teak up here, but she doesn't really want to come and be in the living room or sit on the couch. She's not that kind of cat. She's just a shelf cat. I am going to close out this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope that you are enjoying these VLOGMAS vlogs, which are about 5% art and about 95% just my life. But in any case, I'm having fun making these. I shall see you in the next one. Bye!